Hello everyone, today I am here to show you my Philips 20 watt A24 high performance remote phosphor LED light bulb. Now just like the previous video with the 8 and 12 watt LED bulbs, this one also has the remote phosphor package and 3-lobe design, which you can see right here. And then right here is the brand. It's a Philips. And here's the specifications. This bulb produces 1700 lumens of light, just like a comparable 100 watt incandescent bulb, but it uses only 20 watts of energy, which means that this is 80% more efficient than the incandescent. It also has a 3000 Kelvin color temperature, which makes this bear a closer resemblance to a true incandescent warm white light. So with that being said, it's now time to give this bulb the test run. Wow! As you can see, this bulb is very bright. After all, this is a 20 watt bulb that produces the same amount of light as a 100 watt incandescent bulb. This is what it looks like on one segment. Here's the view from two segments. And then here is a view from above, showing all three segments. Now what I think about this bulb is probably this most likely has a series of white LEDs within, and more than likely just has a white diffuser module. In this case, the remote phosphor package also diffuses the light to a great extent, which is why it gives off a soft light, but is also bright and warm. Although this is a unique design and was an entry-level way for Philips to go into the LED lighting industry, this design isn't particularly efficient. I mean, it is efficient, but the newer ones are much more efficient. Both the standard high-performance, high-output LEDs and the new filament-style Edison type bulbs. So with that being said, this is my 20 watt A24 Philips high performance remote phosphor LED bulb, and thank you very much.